Hi Shivraj,
Hi, ma'am.
how are you?
I'm good, ma'am. What about you?
Yeah, I'm good. Like this is Divya from Quality Department. Today I want to take a feedback video from your side.
Okay.
Okay, before starting that, congratulations for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Shivraj, can you introduce yourself about your native and college?
From myself, Shiva. I'm from Kannur. I have completed my graduation from Nandya RGM College. Recently, I have completed in CMTI interior field. So I have learned so many things of the interior field, like software skills and standard dimension of the modulars and materials, finishes, laminate. I will learn about the CMTI. So very helpful of CMTI.
Okay, like how you got to know about CMTI Institute?
ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅವರು ಈಗ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದಾರ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು.
Okay, that's nice. Like you ಹೇಳಿದಂಗೆ IDM course, like and also you have learned more things. So how was the trainers support towards you? How they used to teach you? How they guided you?
ಟ್ರೈನರ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ನಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಲೈಕ್ ದಿವ್ಯಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಸಾವಿತ್ರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ವೆರಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಮೀ. ಸೊ ಏನೇನು ಇದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಸೈಟ್ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು.
Fine. Shivraj, can you say about your internship programs?
Yes, I have done 2 months of internship project management. So I have learned so many things of the site visits, like how to managing with clients, coordinate with my teams, any issues will be how to convince with clients, and I will learn of the standard. I will reading of the drawings, cut list. So I will learn standard dimensions of the modular units and materials, finishes, laminates, so hardwares. So I will so many things I will learn about the project management.
Fine. So how many months you have there in the internship?
2 months is done.
Okay, that's nice. So like how was your interview? Like once you have completed internship, so how was your interview procedures?
Okay, interview. So first after project manager, I will choose for interior designer role, because interior designer role means without knowledge I can't do drawing. So very difficult to. So first I will choose 2 months of internship project management. After completion of my internship, I will choose for this designer role. So we are asking so many questions of interior questions, like what are the types of standard units and types of wardrobes, kitchens, and laminate materials. Everything we will ask him. Scenario also we will ask him. How to convince with clients, how to managing with clients. This is all are asking to me.
Okay, Shivu. Like finally ನಿಮ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಜೂನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ CMTI ಬಗ್ಗೆ and ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ?
ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ CMTI ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ CMTI ನಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಕಲಿಯಕ. ಸೊ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಲಿಯಕ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. 3 months ಕೋರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 3 months ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಿ, 100% ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಆ ತರನೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ CMTI ನಲ್ಲೇ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಈ ತರ ಕಂಪನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. So definitely I will inform to my team.
Okay, Shivraj. Like thank you for your feedback. Have a bright future. Congratulations for your placements.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.